Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button D&D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on that button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So here you can switch this mode, you can set up a schedule for it, you can select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can set it to turn on automatically when your device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or from nobody. You can also notify about repeated calls, ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. Could be useful, I guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.